Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Worm Shepherd is probably one of the most intensely captivating and brutally innovative deathcore acts to emerge in recent years, delivering a sonic assault that masterfully blends symphonic grandeur with relentless, guttural aggression, making their discography an essential journey for anyone seeking the pinnacle of extreme metal's evolving landscape, pushing boundaries with every crushing riff and haunting melody. Number 5. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Wild Lion 31112. Unleash creativity with this amazing building set. It fuels imaginations by offering 3 distinct models in one exciting package. This impressive set also includes a bonus vulture figure. It adds even more fun and storytelling possibilities to Savannah Adventures with all 3 main models. All 3 animal toys are highly posable, bringing them to life. The lion, ostrich, and warthog can move various parts, allowing for dynamic play and realistic scenes. With 224 pieces, this set offers a fun and rewarding building experience. It's designed for creative kids aged 7 and up, making it a perfect gift. The main lion model stands over 4 inches, 12 centimeters, high. This makes it the ideal portable size for imaginative play, whether at home or on the go. What we like. If you're looking for a toy that sparks endless creativity, this is it. Its 3-in-1 design means new adventures every day, and the posable animals bring stories to life. Perfect for imaginative kids who love to build and rebuild. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about Worm Shepherd can be extracted. Number 4. Azobur Velvet Repair Patch. Is your beloved furniture showing signs of wear and tear? Don't replace it, revive it. This innovative solution helps bring your cherished items back to life. Introducing the Azobur Velvet Repair Patch. It's designed to fix tears, rips, and stains effortlessly, making your items look new again. Each roll measures 4 by 30 inches, providing ample material for various repairs. Crafted from upgraded velvet, it offers a silky, supple, and scratch-resistant finish. It features a super sticky adhesive backing for a secure, lasting bond. Application is simple, and it leaves no residue when peeled, ensuring a clean repair. Use it on sofas, car seats, handbags, or even leather jackets. Made from 100% environmentally friendly materials, it's odorless and blends seamlessly. Enjoy a luxurious appearance without the high cost of replacement. We stand by its quality. Feel free to contact us for any feedback or issues. What we like. If you have worn-out furniture or clothes, this offers an easy solution. Its super sticky, oversized design makes repairs quick and seamless. It's ideal for anyone wanting to extend the life of their beloved items without breaking the bank. What people say. No reviews provided in the source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to get helpful points for buying Worm Shepherd. Number 3. Dr. MORITZ Vegan Omega-3 Gummies for Kids. Give your children the essential nutrients they need for optimal development. These delicious gummies are specially formulated for kids and toddlers. Support their cognitive function and focus with vital omega-3. It plays a crucial role in developing sharp minds. Nourish their cardiovascular system from an early age. These contribute to a healthy heart, setting them up for a lifetime of wellness. Concerned about fish oil? No worries. These are 100% vegan, providing omega-3 from plant sources without any fishy taste or ingredients. For those with dietary sensitivities, these are completely gluten-free. You can trust them to be safe and gentle for your child's tummy. With a yummy taste, your kids will look forward to taking their daily dose. Each bottle contains 90 counts, ensuring a good supply. What we like. If you're seeking a plant-based way to support your child's development, these gummies are a fantastic choice. They provide essential omega-3 for brain and heart health without any fish oil. Perfect for parents looking for a delicious, vegan-friendly supplement for their little ones. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. Oriole Bird Feeder Double Cup Jelly Feeder. Introduce your garden to the beautiful Oriole bird feeder. This double-cup jelly feeder is designed specifically for Orioles, offering them a delightful treat. Handcrafted by skilled Amish artisans in Shipshewana, Indiana, this feeder brings a touch of traditional quality to your outdoor space. It's a testament to fine workmanship. Constructed with stainless steel fasteners and fade-resistant poly lumber, this feeder is built for enduring beauty. It promises a lifetime of enjoyment for both you and your feathered visitors. It features 2 jelly cups perfect for grape jelly, a favorite of Orioles. Additionally, pegs are included to hold fresh orange halves, providing a varied and appealing diet. This feeder is not only beautiful but also environmentally conscious. Its poly lumber construction is made from recycled milk jugs, making it a sustainable choice for your garden. Beyond its function, it serves as a lovely accent, enhancing the charm of your lawn or garden. Invite your Oriole friends to feast while adding beauty to your surroundings. What we like. If you want to attract specific, beautiful birds to your yard, this feeder is designed just for that. Its dual jelly cups and orange pegs are irresistible to Orioles. It's a durable, eco-friendly option for bird enthusiasts who appreciate sustainable products. What people say. Number 1. Mosaic Bird's Hummble Basic Bird Feeder. This feeder features a 3.4-ounce capacity bowl with 3 openings. It provides ample feeding room, allowing multiple birds to enjoy their meal simultaneously. Its unique bowl design, without drainage, is perfect for various treats. You can fill it with mealworms, suet pellets, jelly, or flower seeds to attract a diverse array of birds to your garden. The extended edge of the bowl offers a narrow, comfortable perch for visiting birds. This thoughtful design allows for longer viewing enjoyment as they feed. An open top hook provides versatile hanging possibilities. You can hang it individually, or easily connect multiple units vertically to create a larger feeding station. Crafted from recycled glass and powder-coated metal, this feeder is built to last. Its robust construction ensures an eco-friendlier and longer-lasting addition to your outdoor space. What we like. If you enjoy watching a variety of birds, this feeder's versatile design is perfect. Its wide bowl holds different foods, attracting diverse species, and the extended edge offers a comfortable perch. It's an excellent choice for those who value both bird diversity and sustainable garden decor. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.